अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली. In this video I will discuss with you about writing section, keeping in mind board based exam. I have already downloaded the latest paper published by CBSE of English subject. So I'm here to discuss with you about writing section. Now writing section will carry only 16 marks, 16 marks, and that will start from question number 6. Question number 6, you will be asked question about advertisement writing. It carry only 3 marks. Earlier it used to carry 4 marks. It was 4 marks question, now it has been reduced to 3 marks. And in or, if you do not want to write an advertisement writing, you have to write notice writing. That is also carry 3 marks. So either you have to write an advertisement writing or notice writing. So 3 marks. Question number 7, you will be asked question about invitation writing, and in or you will be asked question about invitation writing. Either if it is in question number 1, you will be asked question to write an invitation, or in or you will be asked question about how to accept the invitation, right? Accepting the invitation or declining the invitation. So that is also carry 3 marks. So in question 6 3 marks, question 7 3 marks, total 6 marks. In question number 8, you will be asked question about writing a letter. There is no letter, keeping in mind complaint, inquiry, placing an order letter, that has been omitted by CBSE. But editor letter is there, sure. So in question number 8, you will be asked question about editor letter writing. Write a letter to the editor, right? That will carry 5 marks only. Earlier it used to carry 8 marks, now it has been reduced to 5 marks. So 6 plus 5, 11 marks. And if you do not want to write an editor letter, you will be asked in or you will be asked question application writing. So that will also carry 5 marks, which I already explained you, and I have already uploaded video as well. So 6 plus 5, 11 marks, right? Now paper doesn't seems to be easy, because the question that carry 8 marks had been reduced to 5 marks. The question that used to carry 4 marks had been reduced to 3 marks. So you have to focus on literature part specially, because too much emphasis has been given on literature section, right? So you have to swallow, you have to memorize both the textbook, Vistas and Flamingo. Then you will be able to get a good score in English subject, right? So you must have strong content based knowledge, keeping in mind all the lesson. Question number 9, you will be asked question on article writing, which I will discuss in this video, inshallah, how to write an article. So that will also carry 5 marks. So, and if you do not want to write article writing, you will be asked report writing, which I have already sent you PDF file on your WhatsApp group. So that will carry 5 marks. So 11 plus 5, total 16 marks. And by this way writing section get finished. So let me now explain in this video how to write an article writing. So article is very easy. It is like an essay. You just have to keeping in mind the title and the name of the writer, right? An article is an expression of one's thoughts on an issue or a subject logically and coherently written in a meaningful paragraph. Some point have to be kept in mind while writing article. Give a title that catches the attention of the reader, and you will be able to find the title from question itself. Begin with a striking opening sentence which addresses the reader and gets them interested in the topic. Present a strong argument for your idea, supporting it with evidence or elaboration. Use linking devices such as however, therefore, because, although, even though, right, to make composition appear a whole. It should not be written in broken sentence. It should be written using these conjunction devices. Introduce a new point at the beginning of each paragraph that follow to strengthen your ideas. Develop your ideas as much as you can to make them interesting and substantial. Conclude with your strongest points. Use passive voice, humor, emotive language, rhetorical question to provide specific fact. Now let's see how your marks will be divided. You will be assessed, or you will be given mark keeping in mind the following criteria: format and name of the writers, right? Means title and the name of the writer, that include in format, so that will carry 1 marks. Content, logical organization, relevance, that will, and the last, expression accuracy and fluency. You have to keep in mind your handwriting, your spelling, your grammatical accuracy. So all these overall it will carry how many marks? 5 marks. Let's see, let me share with you one example so you'll be able to understand easily. The number of women in the police force seems insufficient, especially when we see the increasing involvement of women in terrorist activities. And this is obviously, it is seen that women, especially in each part of our country, especially Jharkhand, Nagaland, Manipur, right? In this section, many women joined in terrorist group, right? There is one movie was made keeping in mind this scenario, that's Dil Se, right? So in that movie, that lady became terrorist, and she was not the one. There were many others, right? So write an article in about 150 to 200 words. Now you will not have to write in 100 to 50 because the marks have been reduced. So obviously you have to write in 100 to 150 words only. For the Times of India, on the need of having more women in the police force. So let's see what can be the title of the lesson: Need of having more women in the police force. Let me share with you. Women empowerment and participation has been a radical improvement in the recent few decades. Yeah, radical. That means that much changes has taken place, affecting the fundamental nature of something, that is called radical. Women are no longer confined to their homes and have come forward to excel in almost all fields at par with men. But it has been observed that the number of women in the police force seems insufficient, especially when we compare their increasing number in terrorist activities. Women are sure to prove their worth in the police force as they are more committed to the cause they work for and less corrupt. Two qualities that are lacking in the policemen. The government needs to increase the reserve quota for recruitment of women in the police force. Women need to be given incentive to join the police force, and this is sure to prove favorable as they bring with them a distinctly different and valuable set of skill that is bound to change the way the police is perceived in our community. As the job description of the police expand beyond crime fighting into community service, the presence of more women in the police force is sure to help to burnish the tarnished image of the police officers, improve community relation, and foster a more flexible and less violent approach to maintaining a law and order. So this one example I would like to share with you. One more example, 2 or 3 example I will share, then I will wind up. In many parts of our country, girls are still discouraged from going to school. Yes, This is visible in our country. Consequently, a sizable section of the population is deprived of education. Scheme like Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, CBC scholarship to the single girl child, and the government policy of giving free education to girls have come as a boon to our society. You have already got 2 or 3 lines in question itself. Write an article in 100 to 150 words on the education of the girl child in the country. Right? This question was already asked in 2010 in CBSE exam. What can be the title? Education of the girl child in the country. That can be the title. Education of the girls has been high priority with the government of India. In the new millennium, means 1000 years, India has consolidated its earlier education reform with increased resources and stronger police commitments for achieving elementary education, particularly for girls. Reaching out to the girl child is primary to the efforts to universalize the elementary education. Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan or Education for All program recognizes that ensuring the education of the girl child requires changes not only in the education system but also in society's norms and attitudes. A two-pronged gender strategy has been adopted to make the education system responsive to the needs of the girls through targeted intervention which serve as a pull factor to enhance access and retention of girls in school on one hand and generate community demand for girls' education through the training and mobilization on the other hand. The CBSE has also come up with novel scheme of providing free education from 6th standard onwards to the single girl child. The need of the time is that the government should further improve the education infrastructure and make it more accessible and meaningful for the girl child. Let me share you one last example, then after I will wind up. Advertisements have become big business. They are promoted by celebrities drawn from various fields like film, sports, leaving their influence on all people, especially the young. Write an article in 100 to 150 words on the impact of advertisement on the young generation. The impact of advertisement on the young generation. Let's see. The advertisement industry has a tremendous impact on the young generation. As a citizen of modern world, advertisement have become a part of the daily lives of the youngster. They have got used to being bombarded with numerous advertisements over the course of their day. Advertisements have become so common for them that they often do not even realize that they are hearing or viewing them. So they have a pervasive influence on the youth. In the ever expanding world of consumerism and advertising, companies are constantly looking for new ways to sell their product to the youngster by making their commercial and campaign more memorable to leave an impact on their minds. The young generation has become their prime target because they have more spending power than ever before and increased avenues at their disposal. Therefore, companies spend enormous amount of money to rope in popular film stars, cricketers, musicians to endorse their product. This helps to ensure popularity and early brand loyalty. In the last decade, many super brands have looked towards new and outrageous ways to capture young audience through appealing campaigns, as these youngsters are cognitively and psychologically quite defenseless against the advertisement. Clearly, advertisement represent big business and has significant effect on young people who need to be educated about the effect of advertising, that is media literacy. This will prove to be helpful in mitigating the harmful effect of advertisement on youngsters. Anyway, so I will inshallah share with you today. I will send you PDF file having more than 80 articles or 60 or 50 articles that will help you a lot. I request all the students to write at least 3 or 4 articles in your notebooks, right? And go through all 70 or 60 or 50 articles which you will see in PDF file, inshallah, right? In order to make yourself comfortable during exam. Allah Hafiz.